Hi all, good morning. Welcome to this course on production planning and control. Today we'll be learning about the decision rules. How to make a decision in production planning and control. Like whenever we are producing a product, for producing that end product, what are the decisions which are to be taken are described over in this session. That is, the decisions depends upon the following factors like decision of goods and services, process and capacity design, location strategies, inventory management, scheduling, and maintenance. So, coming to the topic or coming to each of these, the first one is design of goods and services. So, whenever we are describing or whenever we are going for any good and service, we always depend upon the quality which is being produced. Like if we go for a mobile, then the consumer who obtains a mobile goes for the latest features which are available in the market with the price constraint from different brands, and based upon that usage the decision of the consumer depends. So in the same manner, whenever we want to go for any goods or even services, that decision is generally dependent on the consumer based upon the quality of the goods, and hence we need to take care that the consumer decision making process depends upon the recognition, information search, evaluation of the alternatives, purchase, and the purchase behavior. So based upon that, what is the market value of that product and how to design a better one in order to make sales for our product is the main aim of us for this design of goods and services. The next one, which is the process and the capacity design, based upon our market and the budget allocation which is present within us, we need to design what is the amount of capacity which we can design for our products. Similarly, the location strategies. Based upon the location also, we will be generally dependent upon the products which are being sold. Like if a customer service is present every now and then, so whenever there is a problem, then the maintenance department will be looking after it. Then accordingly, the customer will be satisfied and they will be usually helpful to us. So the location strategies is a very important point where based upon our location of our factory or location of our production unit, the entire dependency of the sales also depends. Similarly, whatever inventory management is to be kept, that is to be properly taken care of, because if inventory is less in nature, then the demand is more and the supply is less, then there will be need of more amount of products. If the demand is less and the products are more, then there will be more amount of storage which may cause unnecessary problem in both the cases. So inventory management is a very important case in the case of decision making, so that proper sale of the products and unusual storage or stock kept in the rooms will be unusually used, or the stock kept may not be used. So based upon that, it may cause some amount of wastages. So inventory management is a very important decision, and it is a very critical decision step. Hence, the 7 steps for effective decision making is generally identifying the product, gathering information, identifying the alternatives, weighing the evidences, choosing other alternatives, then taking the action and reviewing our decision whether this decision is correct or not. Scheduling and sequencing. As we know that based upon the different operations of the machines and the men and the material which are present, the correct sequencing and scheduling will only give us better results. Hence, sequencing and scheduling are very important in decision making in production planning and control. And finally, the maintenance. Once the production has been started and the sales are being done, the maintenance department is also a very important department in process making or in decision making, because although we consider the maintenance department is having very less cost, but when we dig deep into the topic, we see that it is terribly expensive, or it has very much important, or it has lot of importance in the case of cost cutting and saving of money, because if we go for the indirect costs, then there will be a lot of money which will be utilized in the case of this maintenance. If we catch them or if we keep them in our hold, then we can have good decisions and good market value in our services. So these are all the decision making departments or how the decision affects our production planning and control. Thank you.